Hi everyone, welcome to Rev Buzz. So today we have the much awaited XUV700 with us, and the XUV has gathered a large number of bookings. So is it worth the hype? Let's find out.
The Mahindra XUV700 has been one name every person associated with cars have heard of in past few months. So let's begin with the exteriors. The face looks quite aggressive. Headlamps are large and angular. They are all LED units and also come up with additional booster function in the top variants. I must say the headlights are quite powerful because even in daylight the light beam was visible. The new vertical slat grille looks smart and houses the new Mahindra logo. Below the logo sits the front view camera. Bumper 2 is nicely designed and there are LED fog lamps as well. Let's quickly take a look at the side profile. The XUV700 looks lengthy and does not have the bulk like its rivals. XUV looks a little more like an MPV than an SUV from certain angles, all because of not so tall design. This one rides on 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with tire size being 235/60 R18. Most noticeable feature of XUV700 is the new smart door handles. They pop open when unlocked and go in when the vehicle is locked. Moving to the rear profile, the XUV700 looks very smart. The tail lights, which Mahindra likes to call arrowhead tail lights, are full LED units and also comes equipped with dynamic swipe indicators. The boot lid gets sharp creases to add muscle. The Mahindra logo is enclosed in a design queue that looks quite nice. Bumper is nicely sculpted with reflectors on either sides. There are only 2 reverse parking sensors on offer, which is a strange decision by Mahindra. Overall, the XUV700 looks more of an evolution of the outgoing XUV500 than a completely new vehicle. But it does turn heads when taken out for a spin. Let's hop in to check out the interiors. On the inside, the XUV700 feels quite luxurious at first glance. The long running screen on the dashboard all the way till the driver's gauge cluster looks neat. The eye-catching 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment screen is powered by Adrenox and comes heavily loaded with features. Mahindra has put in almost everything that a modern car has to offer. It gets all sorts of connectivity tech, tons of vehicle-related settings and information, Alexa personal assistant, various menus to amp up the feel-good vibe, and the list seems never-ending. XUV700 also gets Sony 12-speaker 3D sound system that makes it feel like there's a party inside this latest Mahindra. However, like how every coin has 2 sides, the XUV700's touchscreen display could have been a little brighter since it gets somewhat difficult to read in bright sunlight. Also, it tends to lag a bit and is not the smoothest unit out there. Moving down, and there's the AC controls, and below it is an array of buttons to control various settings like airbag buttons, seatbelt warning control, button to bring up the 360-degree camera system that also gets 3D view to ease things up in tight spaces. Next is the button to turn off the display, and last is the drive mode selector. There's also a wireless charger and USB point to connect devices. On the central console is a dial that controls the infotainment system, surrounded by again a few more buttons like music, favorite, for phone, and etc. The driver's gauge cluster 2 comes loaded with plenty of information. Dashboard gets high quality material leather finish on top, and the plastics are of good grade as well. The steering wheel feels good to hold and houses numerous buttons to control the infotainment system and driver's display. Let's quickly take a look at second row seats. The second row seats are quite comfortable. Cushioning is soft and seats are supportive. The seat back can be reclined for added comfort, and there's enormous amount of legroom. Headroom is really good. Dedicated AC vents and charging sockets have also been provided. But the seats cannot be moved back and forth, which seems a little inconvenient. Third row seating is a notch above mediocre. The space is tight and is best for kids. AC vents, storage space, and charging points have also been made available to add to the creature comfort of the third row passengers. Boot space is great, but with all 3 rows of seats up, it may get difficult to pack in luggage inside the XUV700. This XUV700 is powered by a 2.2-litre diesel engine. The first thing you notice about XUV's motor is the tractability on offer. The low end, typical to a Mahindra, is great and it pulls strongly even in the mid-range. Also, the automatic gearbox works perfectly in sync with the motor. Don't expect it to be DCT fast, but it isn't lethargic. It shifts well, but not that smoothly. Diesel automatic could be the highest selling powertrain, we believe, as it picks up the pace well, is refined, will return good efficiency and is priced just 50 to 60k higher than the equivalent petrol variant. Diesel variants also get driving modes. In the zip mode, steering is overly assisted and becomes too light, which is perfect for city use. Piloting such a big car through traffic becomes a breeze. This aspect is where Mahindra has improved the most and it feels non-Mahindra-like. Suspension has certain robust feeling that we associate with Mahindras, but that's it. The body rolls, side-to-side movement, up-down movement we see in previous generation cars is all gone. It gets independent suspension with Koni Generation 2 FSDs and it has helped this car a lot. Low speed ride is slightly stiff but not jarring. Picking up pace flattens the unevenness very well. At high speeds, car stays flat. Of course, being a tall vehicle, body roll creeps in at a certain level, but you won't feel that the car will turn turtle.
The diesel automatic variant is very drivable. There's almost zero turbo lag and it picks up pace really well.
Braking duties are handled by discs at all 4 corners. Brake pedal feel could have been slightly better in our honest opinion. But talking about raw braking, the car stops well without any drama and you won't be scared to carry out emergency maneuvers. ADAS system works very well on this car. It holds its line well, brakes well and is brilliantly calibrated. Trusting the system will take some time, but once used to it, highway journeys will become very relaxing. Mahindra XUV has shaken up the market and we can very well see that in the booking numbers. The car is super hit, it has almost everything right. It has new technologies on offer, driving dynamics are good, it's safe, can be used as spacious 5-seater with a huge boot or an occasional 7-seater. My favorites were the 360-degree camera, Sony 3D sound system and the ADAS features on offer. To top off everything, the pricing on offer is simply unbelievable. Mahindra XUV700 is a big winner in our books.
The XUV700 is an all-rounder. It is spacious, it is safe, it drives great, it comes with all the latest technology and features, and most importantly, it has been priced really well. So it's a win-win in our books. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RevBuzz to never miss any updates.